So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut.com. After that you will see a layout similar to this one, so go to create new. After that you can see video, image and magic tools, and you can go to this video, so 16 by 9, 9 by 16 and 1 by 1. So you can choose one of these. So on here you can go to CapCut right here. You can see media, templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transcript effects, and transitions and so on. So add a video to it. So if I go to here and add a video, you can see the video on here. So let's select this clip. On here you can see the options: basic, background, smart tools, animation, and speed. Click on the speed. You can see the curve, you can see normal, go to the normal things, and you can see basic like speed, duration, pitch, and smooth slow-mo. So if you choose to prolong, this video is just gonna stay on the last frame and stay there. If you wish to reduce it, so you can go ahead and reduce it. You can see it's going to shrink. If you wish to increase speed, click on here and you can see I've increased speed. So right now it's really fast, and of course it's no longer 12 seconds, it's about just over 3. So if I go back a bit, you can see right now it's going a bit slower. So that's how you can increase speed, just by going through here, or if you click on this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.